back, everybody. It's Peter with the Dram Diaries, and haven't done one of these for a while. Double Dram Blind. So I've got two whiskeys. I don't have any idea what they are, and I'm just going to see which one I think is better, and also what would I want to pay for these. So let's start with Glass A. It's just like a sweet bourbon. It smells good. Brown sugar. I get a lot of brown sugar. Some oak too. Let's see. Glass B. It's similar, actually. It's actually very similar. Maybe a little more musty. I don't know. I'm gonna say I'm gonna start with B. I feel like, well, I don't know. I'm going to start with A. I think I like the nose better on B, actually. They are very similar, though. Ooh, that's got a lot of good spice, man. B. Ooh. Oh, wow. This one, B, is a lot of good oak spice. It's got deeper, richer, sweeter flavors. I feel like these could be from the same distillery, but whatever is in Glass B, it's definitely the winner for me over Glass A. Glass A is no slouch, though, man. That's tasty. Man, honestly, I don't know. I'd be really happy to pay $50 for a bottle of this, and this, I could see $65 for this bottle. It just has, has an incredible finish. That's what I really like about it. Okay, let's see what they are. Both of these are very good. I like them both. So Glass A was the last place. So Glass A was, Cooper's Craft, 100 proof. All right, man. I said I would pay $50. I'd like to pay $50. $35 a bottle for Cooper's Craft. Cooper's Craft, I feel like, is one of the best, just like overlooked, delicious bourbons for the money and the proof. I have a bottle of this I have been saving to put in a full-size mini barrel. So what do we got on this one? Old Forester, 1910, 93 proof. I paid $60. So yeah, I don't know. I'd say they're both worth it. Value-wise, obviously, this is better. You know, the Cooper's Craft. They're both good. I don't know. Have you done this side by side? What do you think of Cooper's Craft for the price and the proof, what you're getting, you know, versus something like 1910, same bourbon really, you know, just a different process. Maybe this is just a little older, but anyways, all right, till next time.